Hi everyone, my name is Emily and welcome to Lifestyle Living Outlet. I am very excited today because it's like we've had our own little science experiment going on here at Lifestyle Living Outlet, because we bring you the Hydracell PL450 base lantern, which basically does away with normal batteries, and it uses hydrocells and it uses them with water and air to create light, like this one, voila. So we're going to be showing you the process, and it is a really simple process. The hydrocells actually have a shelf life of 25 years. So this is pretty much virtually infinite shelf life this lantern has. And sometimes you know how frustrating it can be if, I don't know, you've got a power cut, all the lights go out in your house and you're frantically searching for a torch. I mean, you might be more organised in your households, but I can never find one, ever. And then when I finally do find a little handheld torch, no batteries. So this does away with all of that, which means it's really eco-friendly as well, and it's very kind to the environment, because most batteries, as you know, they end up in landfill sites. Also, with your normal batteries, the minute that they're manufactured, the power on them starts depreciating, whereas this, the water, the air, the combination is going to create light for you. We'll dim the light just to show you how bright the hydrocells are. And I think it's going to come in great use, especially this year, because holidays are changing. You know, it's looking very unlikely that we're going to be able to board a plane and go abroad. So a lot more people are going to be doing a lot more things outdoors, such as camping. So how great is this? Because also it's lightweight as well, really ergonomic. And it's powerful. So as it gets dark on those summer evenings, and you know, instead of using your your normal battery filled torches, use this. All you need is a little bit of water, and combined with the air, it will create light for you. Now these recommend that you put them in the water. I say charge them, but you put them in the water every sort of 24 to 72 hours. But you'll get 250 plus operation hours after activation, which is pretty impressive considering it's just using water and air. You simply turn it on and off by here. You've got your little lantern, and I will show you just how easy it is to activate the light. So how does it work? Well, we are going to show you how to activate your new HC2D Hydracells, okay? So you get two of them, so you need to carefully remove the packaging. It's got two layers of packaging, so just be very careful when you do that. Then pop them into water and wait between 15 to 20 seconds. So that then is activating water with the air into the hydrocells. Once you've waited about 15 to 20 seconds, carefully take one out at a time and vigorously shake. Make sure you try and get any remaining water out of the hydrocell. If need be, get a cloth and just wipe around each one, and repeat that for the second hydrocell as well. Pop those to one side and then get your lantern. So what you need to do, you need to make sure that you undo the little latches of the PL450, and then you need to rotate the hydrocells the opposite way to what you put them in the water. So basically the two contacts from the top part of the lantern and the hydrocell are meeting. Then simply secure the top of the lantern back on, then click down on the latches at the side, press the middle button at the front, and once you've done that, voila, you will have light. So this is available on our website. It's a really impressive device. Also great if you've got an emergency around the house, you have a power cut, as I mentioned, you know, great for having in your car as well, because if you get a puncture, flat tire, or, you know, and it's getting dark, you can use one of these. If you need to get up into the loft and you haven't got lighting in your loft, you know, so many great uses. As I said, available on our website at a great price of $99.99, www.lifestylelivingoutlet.co.uk.